What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Gus and this is Calirebuildables. Now I don't know if you guys hear me because of the wind. It's pretty windy out here. You can see I'm outside. Like you've seen in my previous video. We're pretty much outside, you know, outside living. Sorry for the wind. I'm pretty sure you hear the wind. But this occasion we're not working on the Jeep anymore. But man, you hear the wind so hard in my ear. Probably you guys hear it too. Let me wait to see if the wind goes away. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna continue talking. Look at the wind, guys. Check the wind out. So basically, this video we're gonna be working, mainly showing you guys a new truck that my dad bought. My dad bought this truck a couple months ago. Out the door with all the fees and everything was below 9,000. I think it was like 8,800 or 8,900, somewhere around there. So keep in mind it is a work truck. So without further ado, let me show it to you guys. Okay, guys. So this is the truck. It's a 2018 Ford F-150 work truck, single cab. It's got the long bed though. And let me give you guys a quick look around the truck, and then I'll go more into details on the damages. So there it is. So now let's go more into detail. As you can see, the front bumper, I don't know if you guys could tell. There it is. So what I'm guessing was the truck was, it got hit from the back, got hit from behind, got pushed into another vehicle in the front. That's why the front is damaged. You can see it's got that damage. The bumper kind of tweaked a little bit. It's got a cracked headlamp, small crack right here. Not a small crack, a pretty big crack. On this side, that's pretty much it. There's nothing else on this side besides that scratch. And of course, like I said, the bumper is like tilted a little bit. On this side, as you can see, those little dents. Nothing major. But the real damage was caused on the back. There it is. That's where we got the big hit. And the truck was listed as frame damage. So I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. Yes, it is, because it's a long bed. Look at that long bed, huge bed. But you can see the little, it's crooked. It's going this way and then it slants down a little bit. If you're just passing by and I never tell you, probably won't notice it in person either. But it's a new headlight, and let me show you guys the damage on the frame. Right there. There's the damage. As you can see, everything up to the front is okay. That's the problem. There's nothing wrong with the frame on the front, but that damage back there is causing the bed to go up on the front. I already tried putting some bolts in here, but it's still missing some, like those bolts. They weren't there. I guess the insurance took them off. We do have the tailgate, but the tailgate is pretty bad. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's pretty bad. That's why I think my dad took it out, and I don't know where he has it. But I do have the new the tail lamp and the new headlight. And I'm gonna find a way to try to bend this back, because I mean, there's really no need to get a new bumper. It's gonna be a work truck. Probably gonna get damaged either way. But let me show you guys the interior. Now keep in mind, this is a work truck, so manual windows. There's the headlamp. and it's pretty clean. Even though it was a work truck, it was a company truck. The truck does have 58,566 miles, so it's not that bad. It's a 6-cylinder. I believe it's a 3.3. I believe it's a 3.3 liter engine. So it's a small engine, 6-cylinder. It drives really good. It starts right up. No noises. I mean, it's mechanically it's perfect. So yeah, it's gonna be a quick little project, like I said. So let me start changing the headlights. But another thing that I want to show you guys is, look at this. I have a pony right there. Sorry for the wind again. My solar. I ran all those pipes, all the water lines. We ran them all the way underneath the ground. I'm still running the cables for the solar, as you can see right there, but I got lazy. Oh, and you saw this car in my previous video also. This is my wife's car. That's another car back there. That I think it's a new timing chain. So this car, as you can see, we live out here in the dirt roads and everything. It gets pretty dirty. It's still gonna get dirty, but I'm thinking of maybe, I got some hay. I'm thinking of maybe getting it painted. Like I said, I got these friends over in Mexico, St. Louis. It's called San Luis Rio Colorado. Basically St. Louis, Arizona, but just across the border. And I've seen the cars that they painted, and they painted really good. So I'm thinking of painting this car, taking this car down to them, where my brother-in-law was gonna take the Jeep and get this car painted a pearl, like some sort of pearl paint. Maybe not pearl paint, but you know, the cream color. But we'll see when we get there, depending on how expensive it is. It's not gonna be that expensive. Those way cheaper than anything here. So I'm thinking of painting this thing white, like I said, pearl white, because the dirt's gonna hide a little bit more. Leave all these trims black, this black, and get most of the chrome. See the black plastic underneath there too? I'm gonna paint that thing the same color as the car, white, pearl white. I mean, if they can, if it's possible. I know they can. I mean, I've done it before, but you know, I'm gonna let them tell me if they want to do it or not. I want to paint that. I don't know if I should paint this black or leave it just the way it is. I kind of like the way it looks, because it's not a gray. It's like light gray. It's got black, the light gray, and then the chrome, which I think I like. I don't know why, but I want to get rid of all the chrome on the back. The mirrors are black, which I like. I'm probably gonna get these painted white also, and leave these the way it is, or maybe black. Basically the whole car I want it to be white with the black trim, if that, you know, makes more of an idea, if you guys get a clear idea. I want to get the black, what's it called, the whole roof painted black also, because I don't want to get and it's all dirty, guys. Like I said, we just went to go get some hay, and I want to get the roof black because of this. From the outside, I don't want to see the glass. So if I make the whole roof black, you won't be able to see this from outside. It'll just kind of make you look like the whole thing is glass, which I kind of like that idea. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So most likely I'll be getting this thing down to Mexico pretty soon, hopefully. I also want to get some 22s for it, some black rims. I've seen another Explorer same year that's painted white with the black rims. That looks pretty cool. I don't know about dropping it. I'm kind of thinking about dropping it a little bit, but it's not my car, it's my wife's car, so it is what it is. I just want to make it look a little bit nicer because I drive it too. So yep. So yeah, guys, this is the truck, and you saw the Explorer 2. I got some plans for the Explorer 2. I hope you guys like it. Another thing that what have I been doing lately besides working? I don't know. I've been thinking about taking you guys to work so you guys see what I do for a living. Also, another thing that I'm getting interested into doing, which I already started, but something that I kind of starting to like, are the dogs. As you can see, I'm wearing this shirt. It says Chavez Bully Farms, which has my last name, if you didn't know. Sorry guys, I had to go for a minute. It's getting so hot in here. I had to lower the windows, and I can't find a way to hold my phone besides my hand, so that's what I'm holding my phone with. And like I was telling you guys, I've always liked those powerful dogs, like American bullies and stuff, pit bulls and stuff. But I like pit bulls. My brother likes pit bulls. I've always liked the American bullies, the standard size, XLs. And now I'm kind of starting to like the pocket so much that I bought a pocket bully. American bullies are pretty expensive. So I got a nice puppy. He's gonna turn 9 months old now. I got it at 6 months, which has got a really good pedigree and bloodline. I probably won't show it to you guys right now. I don't know if you guys are even interested in talking about the American bullies and dogs and stuff like that, but I got some horses, some ponies. I already got rid of one pony. I want to get rid of this other one, but wife doesn't let me, my daughter doesn't let me, so I guess we're keeping that one. But I lost interest in all of those animals, but not the dogs. I got, like I said, that puppy wasn't that cheap, but he's got a really good bloodline. He's got a good pedigree, and a good friend of mine also breeds he started breeding bullies, American bullies, and now he's breeding bulldogs. He's the English bulldogs, and they're really nice. So he had this female pocket bully that he wasn't selling. I'm the one that was asking for it, man. It's got a good also bloodline, and I'm interested in see what comes out of my dog and his female. Now the female belongs to me now. I'm the new owner. I'm about to send the UKC paperwork to transfer the ownership to me. I just received, maybe a couple days ago, I received the paperwork for my pocket bully, which his name is Lolo. If you've seen my Instagram page, you've seen it. Now the female's name is Choco, and it's from Blue Pride's bloodline. You can search that up. Facebook and stuff like that, Blue Pride's bloodline, like that. I'm new to this, okay, but I know that in the pedigree, I seen Pumbaa a couple times, and I see Thor a couple times, all of them from Blue Pride bloodline. I know that there's a lot of things that I still need to know. If you guys are interested in the bullies, I can show you guys that in another video, or talk a little bit more about that. Like I said, everything I'm saying, that's what I know. I could be wrong. Not on the pedigrees though. I know the pedigrees because I've seen the pedigrees on both of them, but I'm learning about these American bully dogs, so we're gonna see where this goes. Thank you for watching. You saw the truck. Most likely my next video, I'm gonna swap out the headlights and the headlamp and the tail light, which is not gonna take that much. Try to probably pull the front bumper back in place, maybe even get rid of the rear bumper, replace, because it's really bad. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about the idea that I have on the Explorer to paint it pearl white, send it to Mexico. I'll probably record that process later on today. I'm gonna probably start recording for a different video, but I'm gonna go check out some 22s for the Explorer. They're staggered wheels, and yeah, probably gonna go get the wheels today, hopefully. So that's the plan. Lower a little bit the Explorer, paint it pearl white, put some 22s on it. It is a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine, which is not gonna make really good sounds, but I'm thinking about maybe a cherry bomb or something like that. I'm not sure. I don't think I'm gonna do it because I don't think it's gonna sound good with the muffler. So check it out, Chavez Bully Farms. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.
Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code Cali25. Link